right, good afternoon. This is Todd Mitchell. It's the first trading day of November, Monday, November 3rd. And I'm going to go through, real quick, I'm going to go through the 6 major Forex currency pairs and show you exactly what you should have been doing here in the last couple months. Based off of a daily chart, based on everything I do and how I trade these markets with software, okay? So software being, the green bars up, red bars downtrend. And we're going to start with the Euro USD, EUR USD. As you can see here, right back in here is when the trend changed from up to down. As you see right in here, that first bar turning red was on May 16th of this year. May 16th of this year, and as the market proceeded to move lower, started breaking down through the 200 exponential, the purple line right in here, that was further confirmation that this currency pair was moving lower, okay? And so you had many opportunities to go short at logical resistance. This is the first area, made a new low, rallied again into another resistance area, another good short, dropped down, new low, rallied up. I mean, all, good areas to reinitiate trades, although when you get that first trend change is when you want to be trading. So right up in here is where you would have been wanting to execute the short trade, okay? And look at this market just getting killed. I mean, you're talking a huge move to the downside. Now, currencies, the Forex currencies tend to trend much better than any other market on a consistent basis. And I'm going to prove that to you over this week as well. I'm going to not only continue doing the blog videos on the Forex currency pairs, but I've got 3 special videos that I've been putting together. Tomorrow, first one comes out tomorrow, and then on Thursday of this week you get another one, and then roughly Saturday. I've got 3 of them coming your way. So Euro, US dollar, this was a no-brainer. That nice shorting opportunities. And then the second one I want to show you is the US dollar Japanese yen. Okay. Now, as you can see over here, the trend changed from down to up right here. Let me give you an exact date as to when that changed from down to up. That changed on August 1st. August 1st, the bars changed from red to green. Okay, so buying it as it turned green on that day is fine, or the following day, or wait for a little pullback into support, which is right down in this area. And as you can see, the market took off big time to the upside, made a new high, pulled back. Now, if you were flat this market as it was coming down, or if you used a trailing stop and you got stopped out, that's fine. But right in this area was another opportunity to go long, as I pointed that out a couple weeks ago. And as you can see, again, the market has took off. This market's got a lot of momentum behind it. As you can see on Friday's trading, this is a huge up day, okay? Now let's go to the third Forex currency. All right, and the third pair I want to talk about real quick is the British pound US dollar. Again, change from green to red right up in here and taking out those lows. So look at this bar where the bar turned green on this daily chart. You can see the low and the close of that first red bar was beneath the lowest low of that green bar, which right there, this is a sell right in here. Not even without even waiting for a pullback. And as you can see, the market came down and really never pulled back into logical support until it hit this low and then rallied up between the blue action zone right in there. That would have been a sell, another sell, if you were flat, okay? If you tend to want to trend follow a little bit, you would still be short this market without getting stopped out at all, okay? Let's go on to the fourth currency. All right, the fourth currency pair I want to talk about is the US dollar Swiss franc. You can see right in here as it turned from red to green right in here. And let me give you an exact date for that. You should have only been trading on the long side. That was on May 16th is when they turned green and the trend was up. Of course, when the market continued to move higher and took out that 200 exponential moving average right in here, that was a further confirmation that the market should move higher. So now getting in on any type of pullback was the thing to do. You should not have been looking to go short, and hopefully you don't think that just because the market moves higher that the market can't go any higher, because that's untrue. The market will continue to move higher until you can't take it anymore, right? If you're short any market, the market tends to just continue moving until you're scared out of the market. You jump out, and then it pulls back or retraces. Okay, so in the Forex currency pairs, you want to be trading these trends because they tend to trend extremely well. Again, I prefer the daily chart and the 240-minute chart, but on tomorrow's video, I'm going to show you a lot more and what they are and how to trade these time frames, okay? So look at this. Market ran up to this high, pull back, right? Logical support. If you were flat the market or got stopped out with a trailing stop after catching a lot of this move, this is your re-entry right in here, and as you can see, the market's still moving higher. Okay, let's move on to the fifth currency. All right, the fifth currency pair is the US dollar, Canadian dollar, and as you can see right in here, trend change from down to up. So once you see these green bars turn green from red, that is an indication that you should only be looking to buy the market on any pullback, or you could scale in. You could get in as you see them turn green, and then as it pulls back into logical support, you'd be looking to buy more. And as you can see in these zones here, market popped up nicely, and we are getting close to retesting that high right in there. Right? The last one I want to talk about is Australian dollar, US dollar. All right, Australian dollar, US dollar. Right in here, you see that it changed from up to down right here on this bar. Immediately the market went up into some resistance in here, consolidated, and they moved a little higher before breaking down. Okay? Nonetheless, the market did change trend here. It just fooled you a little bit, moved a little higher than one would have expected, and then the market continued to move lower. And as of now, you're either still short this market, or if you got knocked out on any of these moves up on a trailing stop, these areas right in here, number 1 and number 2, both good areas in which to get short again, okay? So those are the 6 major currency pairs. Again, each day I'm going to go through that. I've got a special video for you tomorrow. 3 of them this week for you, okay? Hope you enjoy them. Give me your feedback. Talk to you tomorrow. Bye.